You may have often seen many monster trucks perform backflips, but you almost never see them do a front flip because almost no one can pull it off. Whenever someone tries, it almost always ends in a massive crash. And honestly, with a 99% failure rate, can you blame them? That's exactly what made the 2017 Monster Jam World Finals so unbelievable. Lee O'Donnell came screaming in at full throttle, pulled a wheelie, hit a standard ramp, and somehow defied every odd stacked against him, landing the first ever monster truck front flip the world had ever seen.